up, everybody? Welcome to Nantasket Beach. I am on assignment for Save the Harbor, Save the Bay. Now there's an artist that's here from San Francisco named Andres, and he's here to do some artwork with some beach rakes and some drones. But it has some time to kill, and if we take a look at the Save the Harbor, Save the Bay logo, you'll notice some birds. So since it has some time to kill, and there's tons of birds flying all around us right now, I'm gonna see if I can get a good shot of the Save the Harbor logo and get some birds in the background. I probably have another half hour to get this done. And sometimes photography is about coming up with an idea and seeing if you can execute. This is where I'm gonna be standing, and the banner is right over there. And the good thing is, unlike the other day when I was in Maine, where there was zero clouds in the sky, right now we have a lot of pretty clouds in the sky to work with, which should make for a nice backdrop for the birds. So now we're just gonna camp out and wait. Sure. All right, so business tip, always have business cards ready for you. Let's see if I got the shot. I'm about to go in the shade a little bit. What's up, Ketchup? I'm filming a video talking about my concept. Because we have a banner here and there's like birds flying all above. Yeah. We're trying to get a good shot with the birds in the banner. You guys ready? Yep, perfect. All right, here we go. One more. Thank you. All right, guys, just squeeze in the middle. Awesome. Other way here. Thank you. All right, so surprisingly, I didn't have to camp out long before I got a decent shot with the birds and the banner in the background. But now duty called, so I had to come back to the beach for a second, grab some shots. Now, if we look at the floor, these are some of the artworks people did.